you've ever made this basket design with bias and it came out looking like this. Come, let me show you a better way to do it. First, you get your paper and you cut out whatever design or whatever dimensions you want, and then you start to roll it out just like I'm doing right here. Make sure you try your best to make the boxes almost equal, like the lines as equal as possible. How you draw the lines or what shape the line gets is dependent on the pattern you're working with. Maybe a flare, a neck design, arm design, depends on what you want. So this one, I'm just making vertical and horizontal lines. After drawing the lines you want just like this, it's time to take it to the sewing machine. So for the bias strips, I picked 2 bias strips and I placed the side that is folded on top of each other, just like so, and I went ahead to stitch on both sides just like this. Placing the 2 bias on each other helps to make sure that you don't have any fraying edges when you're done with your design. So this way it is neat, it is durable, and it will just give you, the beautiful finishing that you want. Okay, so I just continued sewing and turning till I was done with one part, and then I turned it to the other side and I started sewing also on the lines across, and that was what I did till I was completely done. If you like this tutorial and you want more like this, why not follow me? My YouTube is also Ariel Sews, so follow me and let's learn together. So after I was done, I went ahead to bind the rough edge, that's the piece. So I just did the same thing, placed the bias on top of each other and placed it on just like I'm doing. Just watch what I'm doing, you understand. Yes, so I just did that and I went ahead to sew it all the way down. And for the upper part, I'm going to be attaching that to the main outfit. Here, I'm just attaching it to the main outfit. So this is facing the right side of the main outfit. I'm joining it to the down parts. So I'm just sewing it with the paper still intact, like so. So I'm just going to join the other side as well, just like so. After joining the basket design to the main outfit, here I'm just joining the sides together. So I just put it together and made sure that it aligned properly, and I'm just sewing that all together. Yes. Here I'm done attaching it and joining the sides. I'm just trimming off all the threads on it. And the next thing now, since it's completely joined, is to start tearing out this paper. Tearing out the paper is also time consuming, almost as time consuming as making the basket design itself. So I just went ahead to tear it off carefully so as not to rip any of the seams. And yes, I'm going to show you what it looked like when I was done tearing out the paper. So here's what it looks like when I finished tearing out the paper. It was so clean, so neat, and so worth it. And it was also very solid. That was one thing that I really liked about this. It was solid. It didn't feel light at all. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.